Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry.
I'm Jill.
And today you just saw a bunch of clips. I just showed you, gave you an inventory of what's going on here in the lumber yard. We have everything from logs to firewood to lumber. This is kind of where I just hang out. A little bit of gardening going on here as well. The reason I wanted to get on here is I just want to say have a safe, happy 4th of July weekend. I don't know what year, if this is 250 years, or it's got to be pretty close. Seems like 1776 was just a few years ago, the bicentennial. So 1770, I guess it is next year 250?
Oh, yeah, I bet it is.
Or is it this year? 26? Yeah, I guess next year would be 250 years. Is this 2026 now?
This is 2025.
Right. Oh, man, don't click the years away. Be safe. If you're working around fireworks, make sure you're safe and you got all the youngsters and bystanders away. You know, unfortunately, there's accidents every year on 4th of July weekend. You know, there's going to be some people waking up Saturday morning with less than 10 fingers. Unfortunately, I know it's the reality. So be careful, guys. And take care of your loved ones. If you're going to drink, make sure you're not driving. And we're going to have a good time. I was going to mill this today, and I don't think I'm going to. We have some property a little east of here on the river. And we have all the cousins and nephews and nieces and kids. Everybody's out there right now, actually, tenting. We got a little family reunion going on out there. So I'm going to head back out there today. We'll stay tomorrow night and Saturday night in the tent as well. But we'll come back and forth today and tomorrow. And have a great old time over there. So 1976 was the bicentennial. 1776, we declared our independence from Great Britain. You know, USA is the greatest country in the world, you know, second to none. We have our problems, but look at the freedoms we have compared to others. So keep rocking on, USA, and have a great weekend, guys. Take care.
Have a good one. Happy 4th of July.